Hi folks, in this video I providing you light leaks packages for Photoshop and any other graphic design uses like this. You can use this light leaks in Photoshop. Let's try one light leak. Simply drag and like this. You can change as your wish. Thank you.
Hi, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon. You never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new videos, you will get a notification on your phone.